Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase Wallet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once opened, you will be greeted by the welcome screen. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will see an option to enter your recovery phrase. If you already have a wallet, enter your 12-word recovery phrase. Ensure that you enter the words in the correct order for access. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to set up your new wallet securely. You will then be asked to create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and not easily guessable. After creating your password, you will see a confirmation screen. Review the information and click on Continue to proceed. You may be prompted to write down your recovery phrase for safety. This phrase is crucial in case you lose access to your wallet. Once you have ensured it is saved, tap on Continue. Now, you will be directed to the main wallet interface. Here, you can view your balance and recent transactions. If you need to log in again later, simply open the app. Enter your password when prompted to access your wallet. You are now logged into Coinbase Wallet and ready to manage your assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.